Hello, let's open Notepad to start writing HTML. So HTML is written with the help of tags. What are tags? Everything which is between less than and greater than sign or tag. For example, HTML, this is a tag. For example, B, this is a tag. Don't get confused. I will explain this more clearly further. For now, just remember whatever is written between less than and greater than sign become tag. So this is a tag. So a HTML or a website page is a combination of tags. Every HTML page or a website page has a root tag which is called HTML. HTML tags normally comes with a pair. So take it as this is my open HTML tag and this is my close HTML tag. Remember, every HTML page or website page have a HTML root tag. Whatever you want to write, just write under the HTML root tag. Now just write hello world. Now let's save our web page and open it in a browser. File, save. Remember, whenever you are saving HTML or a website page, make sure to save it with HTML or HTML extension. Just click over here and click all files. Write down your page name. First .html and save it wherever you want it. As you can see, our website page, our HTML page has been saved and you can now open it in the browser. Why? Because I put the HTML extension HTML, double click to open it the web browser. So this is your first HTML page. So things to remember, every HTML page have a HTML root tag. What are tag? Anything with less than or greater than signs is a tag. Under the HTML tab, you have to write everything. Nothing you can write after that HTML tag. And whenever save your HTML page, remember to save it .html. Just click over here and click all files and first .html. And I will see you in the next video.